Texture previews. In new version of Shading Nerd, there are two options workflows which can help you to preview procedural textures. First, you can find in Common Layer Settings, which will toggle Radial Bake in the viewport for current layer, if the object has UV maps. It's relatively fast and works also very nice with other Shading Nerd feature for transforming the textures, in this case Procedural. The other way to preview the texture is to double-click the texture layer. Usually, in standard Modo, it only worked for images, displaying the clip viewer. For procedural ones, this didn't work. Shading Nerd Kit allows you to double-click any texture layer and display preview window with tailored settings to help you see the procedural textures.